Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about pen torch and its uses. First of all, the very first question that arises in our mind is how and with which product this pen torch is used, and the answer is Cinescope. Here we have G Metronics 70-degree Cinescope. Firstly, let us talk about this pen torch. This pen torch looks like this. This is its charging point. If we turn it, we can see this button. This yellow button is for its on and off function. And if we see this is the part from where the light is reflected. Now, to charge this pen torch, a dock charger and a USB cable comes with this. We can charge this pen torch from here. After charging this pen torch, it works straight for 4 hours. Now we will show you how the pen torch works with this Cinescope. This is our G Metronics 70-degree Cinescope. This is its camera point. This is its light sourcing connecting point. And this is the point where the light gets reflected. And it is the same point where we will attach the pen torch. All of it comes with a dust cover. To attach the pen torch in the Cinescope, we just need to fix it here and move it, and it is done. If we will switch on this button, we can see the light reflecting from here, like this. It helps in clear assessment of eyes, nose and throat. So in all, we can say that the pen torch helps in light reflection purpose and therefore makes the function easier. So this was all about this video. Thank you.